This is the first Missouri, Kansas, and Texas railroad swing bridge. The first bridge. It was built in 1874. From north to south, 3 fixed posts through truss spans, each 225 feet, 1 fixed post through truss span. 250 feet, 1 swing post through truss span, 360 feet, 1 fixed post through truss. And this bridge, it crosses the Missouri River, and this bridge is was replaced with a second bridge. So I'm gonna show you the actual bridge. So before I show you the second swing bridge, yeah, right there. You see, yeah. So this bridge was replaced. Right. Now this is the second swing bridge. It was built in 1896, right? And then you got 2 truss spans approach. From north to south, 3 fixed pin connected, 9 panel Parker through truss spans each, and 225 feet, 1 fixed pin connected. And everything, right? So all these, yeah. So this bridge crosses the Missouri River, and this is the second swing bridge was built, right? So so we got trains going over this bridge right now. And then you got multiple truss approach spans on each side of the swing bridge, the swing span. Now this bridge crosses the Missouri River in Boonville, Missouri, and I'm do the vertical lift bridge, which is the 3rd bridge, on the next video.